And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can do a green screen in TikTok. So there's an effect called green screen, and TikTok has also separated the column for green screen effect, which made it easier to find green screens effect. And there's tons of green screen effect on TikTok. You can choose whichever you want, but I'm gonna be showing you the one which most people use in today's video. Alright, first step, you want to click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen on TikTok, and it's gonna bring you over here. Now once you're over here, basically what you want to do is you want to click on the effects tab over here at the side of your screen. Once you click on effects, there's going to be green screen over here. You can click on green screen. Once you click on green screen, it's going to show you tons of effect over here, but which one I like to use is the second one over here. On the second row, you can see a heart icon over there. You can click on it and it's going to show you this. Now you can choose whichever photo you want from your gallery. So I'm going to choose a random photo over here. So let's say I want to choose this photo, and this photo is going to be selected. As you guys can see, I have been cropped out over here, so the background has been removed. So this is basically the green screen which I'm using right now. All right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can do green screen on TikTok. Now I can even record a video over here and upload it on TikTok. All right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can do green screen in TikTok.